What's the meaning of constitutionalism? Constitutionalism. Constitutionalism.
Constitutionalism. Constitutionalism. Constitutionalism is a political philosophy based on the idea that a government's power should be limited by a constitution. This means that the government must operate within the bounds of the law, which is established through the Constitution. A constitution outlines the principles and rules of governance, sets out the distribution of power among different branches of government, and protects individual rights. The result of constitutionalism is a more stable and predictable government, where citizens are protected from arbitrary exercises of power and can participate in the political process with greater confidence.